Good morning, dear students. Let us continue with our discussion. Today we are going to discuss about Charles Montesquieu. He was a French judge and political philosopher. His thoughts and ideologies greatly influenced French Revolution, and it in turn led to the development of sociology. Montesquieu was born in France in 1689, and he had a nickname which was Charles II, and he died in February 10, 1755. He was born to a wealthy family, and he lost his mother in his early childhood, and he did his education in literature and also in law. Montesquieu's early life occurred at the time of a significant governmental change. England had declared itself a constitutional monarchy in the wake of glorious revolution. ആ കാലഘട്ടങ്ങളിൽ ഫ്രാൻസിലുണ്ടായ മാറ്റങ്ങളെ പറ്റിയിട്ടൊക്കെ നമ്മൾ ഓൾറെഡി കഴിഞ്ഞ വീഡിയോസിലൊക്കെ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്തതാണ്, ഫ്രഞ്ച് റെവല്യൂഷനും അതിൻ്റെ റീസൺസും ഒക്കെ. ഇദ്ദേഹത്തിൻ്റെ, അതായത് മോണ്ടസ്ക്യൂവിൻ്റെ എഴുത്തുകളും ഐഡിയോളജീസും ഒരുപാട് ഫ്രഞ്ച് റെവല്യൂഷനെ സ്വാധീനിച്ച കാലഘട്ടമായിരുന്നു അത്. The most popular book written by Montesquieu was Spirit of Laws, which was published in the year 1748. In this book, he has explained about the three branches of government or separation of power. And this idea of separation of power gave insight to the French people about the importance of democracy and the urge to get rid of the ill effects of monarchy. Now let us discuss about the contributions of Montesquieu. The major contributions did by him in the mid of 18th century and still relevant theory, that is separation of powers. The theory of separation of power explains that every democracy there are three pillars, that is judiciary, executive and legislature. Legislature frames the law, judiciary interprets the law, and executive implements the law. Apart from this, each pillar has different functions of their own. Montesquieu states that if one pillar is more powerful than the other two, then there will be tyranny of that pillar. ഒരു അധികാര സ്തൂപത്തിന് മറ്റ് രണ്ടിനേക്കാളും അധികാരം കുറച്ചധികം കിട്ടുകയാണെങ്കിൽ അത് സ്വേച്ഛാധിപത്യത്തിലേക്ക് നയിക്കുമെന്ന വളരെ വലിയൊരു ഉൾക്കാഴ്ചയാണ് തിയറി ഓഫ് സെപ്പറേഷൻ ഓഫ് പവേഴ്സ്. Before the popularity of full-swing democracy in world countries, Montesquieu has defined the different branches of democracy popular in the modern world. He says that it is a bad idea that all the powers of government in one place, and it is better to have the separation of powers. Each pillar of government should have equal distribution of powers, and the system of checks and balances in the US is evolved from this theory. Hence, Montesquieu's theory is still relevant even today. Now let us discuss the basic principles of the theory. There should be absolutely no concentration of power in one pillar. Each pillar should be assigned with separate function. No pillar should intervene in each other's function. Each pillar should put a check on each others. As I have already told that this theory is still relevant because it protects the liberty of the people, and separation of power increases efficiency of the government. Checks and balance system prevents the tyranny of one pillar, and this theory is moreover a scientific theory in nature. മോണ്ടസ്ക്യൂവിൻ്റെയും മറ്റും ഇത്തരം ചിന്താധാരകൾ തന്നെയാണ് ഫ്രഞ്ച് റെവല്യൂഷന് കരുത്തു പകർന്ന ഐഡിയോളജീസായി മാറിയതും അതിനെ ഒരു മഹാവിജയമാക്കി മാറ്റിയതിന് പിന്നിൽ പ്രവർത്തിച്ചത്. By this we are winding up our session for today. Let us continue our discussion in the next class. Thank you.